In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create leads in Odoo step by step. Whether you're new to Odoo or looking to streamline your lead management process, this guide will help you navigate through the essential steps with ease. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Odoo homepage. This is your starting point for accessing the various features and apps that Odoo offers. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new. Understanding the layout will make the process smoother. Next, it's time to access the CRM app. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management application, is where all the magic happens in terms of managing your business's interactions with current and potential customers. Look for the CRM app icon on your dashboard and give it a click. This will bring you to the main CRM interface where you can access your existing leads and add new ones. Once inside the CRM app, you'll notice a toolbar or menu bar at the top of your screen. Locate the New button, which is typically the gateway to adding new entries. Click on New to start creating a fresh lead. This action opens up a new form where you can input all the necessary information about the lead you're working on. At this point, you'll need to select the company that this lead corresponds to. Odoo allows you to manage multiple companies if needed, so be sure to pick the correct one from the drop-down menu. This ensures that all the relevant information and communications are properly linked. After selecting the company, your next step is to choose the contact person. This is incredibly important as it helps in tracking conversations and making sure that communications are directed to the appropriate individual. Select the right contact person by using the available list, or you can manually enter their details if they aren't already in the system. Now that you've got the company and contact person set, it's time to click Add. This action saves the lead you've just created into the system. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new lead. This record is now available for future interactions, updates, and follow-ups. Remember, managing leads efficiently is a crucial aspect of business operations. Make sure to regularly check back on your CRM to follow up on leads, update information as necessary, and ensure that you're maintaining good relationships with your clients or potential clients. Over time, with practice, this process will become second nature and you'll be navigating Odoo like a pro. That's it for today's guide on creating leads in Odoo. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of Odoo's powerful tools. Thanks for watching and happy lead managing.